Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from your Wells Fargo to Capital One. You have a few options. Option 1, wire transfer. Log in to Wells Fargo online banking and choose wire transfer. Enter Capital One's wire details, bank name, routing number, your account number, and your name. Then confirm the transfer. Option 2, external account transfer. Link your Capital One account to Wells Fargo Online. Once linked, just select transfer, enter the amount, and initiate the transfer. Option 3, third-party services. You can also use services like Zelle or Western Union to send money quickly between accounts. And that's it. Your money will be on its way safely to Capital One. And that's how to transfer money from your Wells Fargo account to Capital One. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.